Video presentation of the 2002 Haas Super MiniMill. Go ahead and run it through its paces real quick. Start with the x-axis. There we go. Just sped the feed rate up a little bit. Go z-axis. Go ahead and we'll do a tool change. Alright, next we'll go ahead and we had the spindle running at 1,000 while we were doing the last part. We'll go ahead and fire that back up to 1,000. Go up to 2,500. That's 5,000. That's 7,500. It's actually a 10,000 RPM. So that's 7,500 now. I'll go up a little higher. That's 8,200, 9,000, 9,800. That's maxed out, 10 grand. Go ahead and back it off nice and easy. For that, and the screen flashes on our camcorder, but the screen is still it's perfect. It does have the floppy. It's also got the air blast. We do have the manual. We have the plastic top that comes with it. RS-232 port. To verify, this is serial number 28412, manufactured 5 of 02. This is 208-230, 3-phase. So look inside the electrical cabinet here. It does have a 20 horsepower vector drive. Block here. Everything seems to be in good running order. And this concludes the video presentation of the 2002 Haas Super MiniMill.